Alright, so this is the shirt that I bleached earlier. I washed and dried it. I'm gonna bleach the bottom a little bit more so it can get lighter and I can get a better ombre effect. I'll have different colors in it. That's what I like to do. That's one of my little methods. I'll go ahead and wash these again and dry them and add designs later. So to cut them, I start by removing the seam. On this one, I'm gonna do that also to the arms. So you just want to get a nice pair of sharp fabric scissors so you can get clean cut lines and just start cutting the bottom off. Make sure you grab both layers and slice up. They don't have to be perfect or the same size. They can be about a finger's width. Because once you throw these in the dryer, they shrink up and they won't be chunky anymore. They'll be skinny and curled and it'll look more fringy. So don't worry about them being the same size. You won't be able to tell later on. I decided to do that same effect to the arms. And sorry, it kind of went off camera, but don't worry guys, I will get a better tripod and my videos will get better. Just give me some time. So now I'm gonna go ahead and measure out the middle of the shirt and just cut a hole so I can stick the blade through and slice up. And you just want to make it even. Make sure you get right underneath that neck seam so it gets a really nice clean cut. And I'm going to do the same to this one on the bottom. I just wanted to show you the different colors because all the shirts took differently to the bleach. I got different colors with each shirt, and I just wanted to show you that you can just do it pretty much with any shirt lying around. It doesn't have to be a certain shirt or fancy shirt that you go out and buy. You can bring life to an old garment. And this one as well. I loved how it turned purplish pink earlier out there in the sun. Right now it looks grayish, but the lighting in here is horrible, but it does look really nice in the sun. So I just went ahead and fringed the bottom to this one and cut the neckline. And I went ahead and did it to a couple of other shirts. And then I had my daughter model a couple of them for us. And I'm going to show you guys how I add a design doing screen print. It's more of a DIY screen print method. I use 651 vinyl as a stencil that I cut with my Cricut, and it's a lot easier and well for beginners instead of using like emulsion and burning images onto screens. So if you guys are interested, I will definitely make more videos of doing this step by step so that way you can learn how to do it as well. I do have a short video on my Facebook page that I had posted a while back, but I'm definitely going to make more videos here on this channel so you guys can learn how to save on using HTV and screen print instead, getting the same results but better quality. So now I'm using Speedball's white ink and I'm using a popsicle stick to just spread it on the screen, and you want to just press evenly across the entire image so that way you get the ink throughout the whole image evenly. And you don't want to have any ink on the screen or on top of your image when you lift it up because it will leave globs of ink. And that's pretty much it. and you pull it up and it looks amazing. And I just hit it with my heat gun real quick to cure the ink. After that, I'll leave it out to dry for a couple of days, and I will heat press it on like 320 for 30 seconds. And that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you want me to do any more, and subscribe because I do plan on uploading a lot more how-tos on this channel. Thank you.